Hi guys, hope you're well. If the music is too loud, just let me know. Okay, here we go. Nice to have you with us today. Bayback Pro, again. Okay, let's try to read the candles right now on the 2 hours. Everything looked pretty good here right now. It's bullish engulfing right here. We're trying to make a new W here. This is gonna be the neckline. If we can go over 152, this will be good. Where is the MA21 right now? MA21, oh, under. $145.51. We're back over the MA21 right now. Pretty cool. If we can go over this last high, this will be awesome. On the 4-hour chart, okay, forming right now a double bottom. We don't have a new high yet, but we have a new low. But this is perfect double bottom here. At 136, really good. If we can make a new high, this will be awesome. Let's take a simple look. Okay, on the daily, everything look good right now. On the 24-hour, everything look good too. Okay, that's cool. On the 12-hour chart, we have a new high and a higher low right now. It's gonna close in 5 hours, 28 minutes. On the 10-hour, same new high, higher low forming. We close in 1 hour, 28 minutes. 8 hours. Okay, we need to go over 152, like I said. Same here, will be great, but no new low. Okay, right here we're forming on the 6 hours a double bottom, which is good. I don't know if it's gonna stay like this for a while, but if it closes like this in 5 hours, 27 minutes, this will be good. This will be a confirmation that we might gonna go higher. On the 4 hours, same. Like I said, double bottom here. But we have a new low and no new high. But, you know, we have to give him sometimes. 3 hours short term look good right now. 2 hours looking very good. Let's see on the 1 hour how it's gonna close, because it can close like a shooting star here if we go lower around 42 and we close there. This will be a shooting star, and like here you see we made a double bottom, but you know it's early. we start to see a double top here, but no new low yet. It's early. It's gonna close in 26 minutes. Same. This is, you know, right here, nothing dangerous. It's not a clean double top right that we have here. Okay. One things that we have to check is the weekly chart. Try to read the candle here, and right now we have a hammer, but the things is that we made a lower low here, which is not pretty good. But if we are able to create a double bottom on the weekly, this is very bullish. This will be very bullish. You know, it's not perfect here, the double bottom. Do we have the time to make a new high and go higher than 169? Yeah, for sure. We have 1 day 6 hour. There is two bullish perspective for me. One is that we create a double bottom, or the other is that we're making a new high. If we make a new high, no problem, you know, we're good to go higher. On the monthly candle here, let's take a look at the USDT on a monthly. No new low here. Oh, nothing to be afraid of right now. It's much more bullish than when we were at $85. Let's take a look at the EMA ribbon on the 4 hours. Now we have the EMA ribbon under, which is acting as a support right now. Very good. But we, like I said yesterday, 144 was my target yesterday. I don't know if you remember, but we are right there right now. For sure, we have some resistance, but if we can, you know, accumulate a little bit right there and let the ribbon go up and turn over, you know, we need the yellow ribbon to be on the upper side and the red one on the bottom side of the ribbon. But it's turning. We can see this turning right now. Look at that. This is bullish. This will support the price. But for sure, you know, we can always have some manipulation up there, and there's a chance that we can, you know, come back to test this ribbon right here. But let's see. I think we are in the beginning of the third wave. For sure, let's test this. Let's put the RSI. Okay, for this third wave, this will be too low, I think, but you know, 161.8 on the Fibonacci used to be a place where we can land on the third wave. 261 will be better. Usually wave 5 is used to have the same length of wave 1. We have the 361 too. Another possibility for wave 3. Let's see what the current intermediate wave is telling us. Okay, 261 might be a good spot for the intermediate 3. Or we have 202 at 164, 179 right here. Let's take a look at the resistance. Maybe we have a better idea by looking on the left side. Okay, we have resistance right here too. There's a good correlation on the 261. I think might be where we are going, but we're gonna have to make wave 4 before. 1, 2, 3. This is short. It's too early to tell right now, but those are approximation. R1 here, classic pivot, 184, 153 here. The R3 is the resistance right now. Yeah, it's clear. If we can go over that, this will be pretty bullish. $184. Let's take a look at the resistance with the Fibonacci. Okay. I don't know if some of you were there yesterday, but this is a trap zone here that we everyone must be careful. You know, can be hard. You know, a lot of fishermen here. Gonna keep this zone right there. Between 159 and 184. It's a big fisherman zone. We're getting some volume on the daily, you know, slowly. Let's take a look at the KDJ. Okay, this is cool. Bullish on the daily. 4 hours is okay, and the lines are straight. Right now this candle on the 2 hours playing very well. We have this double bottom here. It's good. We might gonna go and try test the zone here, 156, 157. But you know, it's always better to enter to not get in before the resistance. Always better to get in after the resistance. If we look at the pattern right now, it's it can be a bull flag here. Okay, the pole. If it's a bull flag and it's about to play, this is a nice target, 171. But it's too early, you know, right now. It can, you know, do this triangle. Okay, let's try to find the resistance and the support with the log zone, the logarithmic chart. Okay, let's watch the Renko before on the weekly, daily. We are right on the support. I use Renko, you know, on the daily, weekly, or monthly to find support zone. This is a great tool. It's always nice. Usually, you know, it's pretty accurate. It's pretty straight, huh? Straightforward. He, here you can see the resistance right there. You know, it's written on the Renko. $159. Now we built support here. We are right on the support zone. Nice W here. Can be more specific on the 2 hour 153 with the Renko. We tested already, and it was rejected. If we can go through this resistance here, it will be great. Usually, you know, it's always better, you know, to wait a little and, you know, wait that this resistance become support, and after a confirmation that this is a new support, you know, we can get in and play the breakout. This is resistance to here. 160, 166, 150, 152. The daily candle looks okay right now. We feel, you know, we can feel that there's some resistance here because the wick are what is being eaten. You know, this is marking a rejection. All this zone was rejected, but all this zone is having buyers right now. But with the ribbon under, it's let's take a look at the moving average on the daily, because I think the support is under on almost every chart right now. Okay, guy, I know it. The MA21 is at 145. We have some problems to get over. We've been over a couple of times since midnight yesterday, but this is a resistance zone. The ribbon is gonna help, you know. We need to wait a little bit to get this dynamic support right under the candles. On the 4 hours, it's okay. We have a double bottom right now, and it's gonna close in 1 hour. If it stay like this, it's a good sign. Right here you see the body is closing here at the same place. This is a double bottom, body double bottom, but still we cannot confirm this double bottom before this candle close. and we don't have any new high, but we don't have any new low right now, which is okay, which is really good. I mean, it's too early, but for now, if we are not going under 135, it's good. So on the 15 minute, the KDJ is turning bearish a little. Let's take a look at this Stoch. Nothing to be afraid of right now. We are in a good zone. And this is what I like right here. We are on the good side of the Stokes right now. If this can push a little, let's take a look at the MACD. You know, the MACD is, this line is turning right here. The MA13 is turning, which is good. If we can get a bullish cross on the daily, this will be very good. Let's take a look at the weekly now. Weekly is still bullish. Stoch is bullish. We had this little cross here, but we're very high. It can stay like this for a couple of weeks. Okay, gonna try to find the channel. We have a descending channel and we have a rising and new rising channel. It's always better to take most week as possible. Let's do it on the 4 hours. You see here, we tested the roof of this channel, descending channel, and now we're forming a new one, but a rising one, rising channel right here. It's pretty clean. I think we're gonna rise slowly in this channel. This is my feeling. It's not sure, but if we break and go right away on the roof of this channel, I will be surprised. But you know, we need to get back some momentum right now. Let's take a look at the Bollinger Band. On the daily. Okay, you see, we can see this is in red. This is the MA21 usually, but sometimes they put 20. Okay, it's 21 right here. 145. Right now, the gravity on the daily is okay. We have this compression. Let's take a look at the 4 hours. It's pretty hard to climb when you have this gravity going down. It's pretty heavy to support for the price, and now it starts to turn here slowly. Now we are over it here on the 4 hour, which is helping the price usually. But we have the MA21 right there on the daily, which is giving us some resistance all the time. If we can just confirm over it and clarify that, because right now, you know, it's not the time to get in and buy. You know, it's always better to buy over the MA21 and on the daily, and usually when we have a bull run, it's always a nice place to retrace for the Bitcoin and test this MA21. But Elrond is an altcoin, and it's why, you know, and it's just the beginning. It's why, you know, we have huge retracement. This is a wave 2 retracement. Pretty heavy. Wave 2 on the golden fib here. Oops, sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna take a little Perrier, and I'm gonna come back in about 5 minutes. Hope everyone is well, and I'm gonna go in the chat room a little bit and have a drink, and I hope you enjoy, and don't hesitate to leave me your comments. Okay.
Touch me, baby. I need to be loved. And come hold me, baby. I need to feel love. I need to feel love. Come catch a fire.
Okay, we are back. Hope the music is not too loud. Okay, I have a question of Bibak Pro here on the chat room. Uh, he's asking me if it's possible to go to $500 for Elrond. Let's evaluate that. Um, I'm in log mode right now on the daily. Just have to figure out where is the channel for this cycle. Okay, right there. Okay, this was our last stop at 2:31 or close, and this was July 27. We were at 33 on the roof of the channel. Okay, right now the question is that are we gonna go test again this roof on the channel? It's really possible because we have a trend line here, right there, which is support, and you know, it's possible that we take our time and go test the this channel again, but it's possible that we break this channel too. If we take a look right now, example, if we are gonna test the roof of the channel April 4th, we are at $400. In May, 587. Really possible. Will not be surprised me if we you see here, we tested. This was a wick, it was not so clean, but the trend is different right now for L1 with everything, with Maillard and everything that is going on for them. People begin to know this project more and more every day. It's also possible, that we come back before we test the roof of the channel. We can come on this midline right here and break this trend line. This trend line, but this is why it's important follow this trend line right there. Because if it's breaking, for sure we're gonna come test the midline, and if we lose the midline, for sure we're gonna come test the bottom of the channel. And the bottom of the channel is let's see that we're going right here, and boom, the middle of the channel is 102, and boom, if it breaks, and we come here, $44. It depends a lot where the Bitcoin is going. Right now we can take a look at the Bitcoin price. BTC is looking to test 41 bucks again, and if he tests 41, 42, he's gonna try to test 40 for sure. Where's the trend line? Okay, this is a great 40k. Pretty sure BTC will try to come back and test that zone, but slowly, maybe. It doesn't have to do that right now. And let's take a look at the candles if we can anticipate. Right now, the BTC, we have a close in 1 day, 5 hours, and we have a double top. But it's not clean. It's not so clean, but we have a new low. It's looking bearish for the Bitcoin. I was surprised yesterday because the Nasdaq closed with shooting star candle. I'm gonna show you that, but this doesn't look so well for Nasdaq. On the daily, Bitcoin is still going down. There's no signs of a reversal right now on the upside for the BTC. No, new low here. We don't see any candles that is telling us that we have a reversal on the upside right now. The BTC will continue to retrace for some time, but maybe slowly because people are accumulating and buying. But we have to check this trend line. I think it's for sure it's going to be a nice place for the Bitcoin to bounce back and at least make a double bottom. But doesn't look good right now for Bitcoin. But the monthly doesn't say right now that we have we don't have any signals that the bull market is over right now. This is the kind of things you want to see to mark a trend reversal. Let's take a look at this in June 2011. We had a shooting star and a shooting star with a double top. This is why we retraced to $2. This was the end of the first bull run, maybe. We had here in 2013 we had a double top. It's clear here, but this was very bullish. But poop, next candle said that this is the end, and we retraced. We were at $1,147 and we came back to 163. Same stuff here. Shooting star, but not so clean and with a double top. The body here, same stuff. This always mark the end of a bull market. Double top like this on the monthly chart. Same stuff here, double top, body closing at the same place. And we were at 13.8K. 1st of July 2019, and we came back to 3,900. And you see right here we made a double bottom, and this was the end of this was a confirmation that the bear market was over, and we are climbing since that time. And are we gonna get a new double top? But we don't know. But the monthly candle is closing in 1 day, 5 hours. Tomorrow, this is a big day. If we close like this, it's okay. It's not a problem. But what the next candle is gonna do, this is what we're gonna have to watch closely. On the weekly, you see, it's like reading in the future the monthly chart. What is gonna happen in the monthly chart is happening right now in the weekly chart. Right now, it's not good. Double top. It's not confirmed, but there's a lot of chance that we close with a double top. and we have a new low. It's not good. I, you know, it can mark just a little retracement, but let's take a look where BTC can retrace. Okay, 40,000, the golden fib. Like I said, this is a good correlation with the trend line that I showed you before on the logarithmic chart. Trend line is that I drew before. Well, I'm not gonna redraw it again, but this will be a good buying zone. By good buying zone, I mean we're gonna have a lot of liquidity here, a lot of buyers, and this double top right there is gonna be is gonna act as a good support. But you know, usually between 0.3 and 0.5, you have more probability that we're gonna retrace in those zones for wave 4. But right now we've been climbing since a while, and the RSI might gonna need some break, and that's why I think golden fib will be a good buying zone for BTC. Let's take a look at the RSI of the Bitcoin. On the daily, today 58. On the weekly, it's refreshing right now. It's good. On the monthly, it's still very high, 89. It's not really good. It's why we might take our time, you know, with but it's possible we climb too again, and we have a bigger push, and you know, we can retrace at 40 and boom, go to 60. But when you start to see those hem forming, it's never good. Let's take a look at the divergence. On the daily, okay, we had a divergence on the RSI here. The CCI2, the CMF. Let's take a look at BTC USD. On the 4-hour, we had bullish divergence here at 44. That's why we are going a little higher right now. Nothing on the daily yet. Price is going down, RSI is going down. On the weekly, you see the pattern here. It can do this, you know, it's starting a new trend on the downside for sometimes, which is normal. But the weekly is telling us that, you know, we are gonna retrace lower. But it's starting here to turn a little. The RSI is at 51 on the daily. It's why we saw the altcoins pumping yesterday a little. Was really cool. Okay, but to answer your question, $500 is really possible. Is it gonna happen tomorrow? I don't think so. But uh, Elrond is have the the platform of I think it's an amazing platform, 15,000 TPS with that adaptive sharding. It's crazy what they're doing right now. We have the deflationist aspect that the Bitcoin have with the low supply. Um, we have a platform that can support DeFi projects and that is performing much more better than Ethereum right now. They're still struggling, but they're gonna come soon with Ethereum 2.0 for sure. But there's a huge difference between those platforms right now, and the fees too. Fees are not so nice for people that are trading or swapping. It's pretty high, around 10 to $15 right now. For Elrond, it's 0.0001, I think. The fees are nothing. It's if we are just taking a quick look before I leave, you see here the nice W on the RSI, and the RSI is climbing right now, which is really good. For $500, really possible. When are we gonna go there? Maybe this summer. Maybe this summer. And if we are there in July, we're gonna be just higher, around $1,000. This is a logarithmic channel, and it's telling us that it's not gonna always go on the bottom of the channel, but this is the trend for years to come. And we can see that with the Bitcoin too. I'm gonna show you quickly. By the way, if you guys want to join me on TradingView, I try to post pretty much every week on the situation of Elrond. Gonna show you the logarithmic chart of Bitcoin. Right there. You can take a look here. Might be hard to might be hard to see right now, but the fib is at 47 to 26, and no, this is the price, sorry. We are under the 0.618 Fibonacci here, which is the purple line. We are over it. It's why we're gonna have a lot of support at 44k. Yeah, it can break, but there's a lot of support there, and we need to keep in mind that 59k is resistance for Bitcoin. We saw that here, huh? And after that, you know, it's possibility that Bitcoin can, you know, go, you know, around 100k. Is he gonna do that? I'm not sure, but this is really cool to see this logarithmic channel with the curves. We are right here. Well, it's gonna be over for this one. I might gonna take some times to take a look at the Elrond situation later tonight. Thanks for watching, and have a good afternoon, everyone. Okay, bye bye.